I am Nishit Doshi. I am Managing Director of Fibro International Private Limited. I am very happy to have association with Water Expo right from the beginning of this particular event. And 2014 is one more step towards the growth of it. What is good about this expo this year is that everyone is talking about recession in the market, but I am not seeing that affecting this particular expo this time. Because I am seeing more and more participation of the water industry, wastewater treatment industry on this particular expo, and that is something encouraging and motivating for us. It has been a long and a healthy relationship with Water Expo team. I remember when this particular expo first event started, and it has been a long way, and I am happy to see the kind of a growth what it has achieved. In fact, I am too happy when the foreigners, the foreign participants, they visit our booth and they appreciate this particular expo. I'm very happy about that particular thing, about this expo. Generally, in other water expos, what we are seeing is that it is more of an OEM show. We find a lot of OEMs coming and going, but this is the show where we see equally participation by the industry and also by the consultants. A lot of consultants I am seeing around, a lot of different kind of industrial people are coming over here, and that is good about this expo.